is the 200-meter freestyle women's swimming gold medal at Seoul Olympic 1988 went to Hague Friedrich Office, Germany, when she set a new Olympic record of 1 minute and 57.56 seconds. Assume that she covered most of the distance with uniform speed and had to exert 460 watt to maintain her speed. Calculate the average force of resistance offered by the water during the swim. So while she is swimming, she is having constant speed. Okay, it is saying that she covered the whole length with uniform speed. So we can find the speed. So first we can find the speed. Speed will be how much? 200 meter in how much time? The time is 1 minute and 57.56 seconds. So how much is the velocity? So the velocity we can find. So this will be 200 divided by, if you write in terms of seconds, it will be 17.56 seconds. Okay, so this is the speed of the person. Now we have to find the we have to find the air resistance force. When she is moving, water resistance force. When she is moving, when she is swimming, there is a resistance force by water also acting on her. Okay, so since she is running at constant speed, the net force is 0. So whatever force she is exerting, the same amount of resistance force is acting on her. Okay, so when she is swimming, the resistance force by water or viscous force by water and the force exerted by her both are equal in magnitude. Okay, so the power is given. The power is 460 watts. So power is force into velocity. We have calculated, power is given. So the force by the person, can be calculated. That will be equal to 460 into 117.56 divided by 200. So this is the force. So this is many newtons. Okay, so this is the force of the force applied by the swimmer. Okay, so the same force will be equal to the viscous force. So the viscous force or the drag force which we have to find, the resistance force which we have to find, will be same as this applied force. So its value will be how much? Its value is 460 by 200 into 117.56. Okay, so we are getting approx 270 Newton. Okay, so this will be the value of force. So in this question we are using this relation, the force equal to the power equal to force into velocity relation.